Looking for a magnetic jewelry collection that combines strong market appeal with reliable production? RainSo offers a broad magnetic wellness jewelry range for men, women, and different age groups, including bracelets, bangles, necklaces, rings, and earrings. From 316L stainless steel, copper, titanium, and 2 ceramic, different structures, colors, and finishes help buyers build a more complete collection. These designs are made not only for display, but for real daily wear, from business settings to relaxed everyday lifestyles. With OEM and ODM support, buyers can customize logos, sizes, magnet configurations, and private label packaging. Since 2007, RainSo has focused on jewelry, manufacturing, coordinating, design, sampling, production, and packaging for a clearer and more efficient sourcing process. Before shipment, every batch goes through multiple checks for appearance, dimensions, magnet strength, structure, and packaging consistency. From product selection to private label launch, RainSo supports global B2B buyers with reliable magnetic jewelry sourcing. Comment catalog for B2B, quote,